Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a long time since I posted on this channel. I'm so glad that I'm back and I'm here with a new recipe. It's called the Strawberry Sago, which is quite nice and refreshing. So can't wait for you guys to try it. So without wasting further time, let's get started. In boiling water, add half cup of sago, which is also called sabudana. Keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Stirring stops it from burning and also stops formation of lumps. Once cooked, carefully pour the whole pot slowly into the strainer over the sink. Then dip sago into a bowl of iced water or cold water for about 5 minutes. Now let's cut the green stems of the strawberries and clean them with cold tap water. Here I have taken around 25 strawberries. I will chop half of them into small pieces and set them aside. The remaining strawberries I have cut into halves, which I will now transfer it in the blender. To this I will add half cup of dairy milk, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, some condensed milk, and blend them together. I'm going to add sago into the bowl which has chopped strawberries. We'll add 3 tablespoons of coconut jelly. You can find this in any Asian grocery stores. This is called nata de coco. That's coconut gel in syrup. This also you will find in Asian grocery stores. I will add around 3 tablespoons of this. Now I will add the blended strawberries into the bowl and some condensed milk on top along with some coconut milk. Now mix everything and voila, there you go. Strawberry sago is finally ready. So that's it today, guys. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today, and thank you very much for watching. If you do try making this recipe yourself, then do comment and let me know how it turned out. I shall see you very soon in the next video. Until then, do take care of yourself.